Hello, creative buddies. Welcome back to Flying with Art. First of all, wish you all a very happy Holi. May God fill your lives with all the colors of joy and happiness. In today's video, I will be making this colorful Indian folk style plate art depicting a woman playing with colors, which I made out of trash. For this, I have taken two plates, one of which is broken, and then I fixed it using M-Seal, and then I covered a plate with a texture paste, which is made up of plaster of Paris and glue mixing together in 1:2 so that we get a good base for our clay work. After it is dried, I make a rough sketch like so. I'm using homemade ceramic clay to make this plate art and sticking it with the help of white glue, smoothing with water and sculpting the face using knife and some tools like so. If you're here for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notifications so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Taking some portion of clay to make lips, then shaping with tool and placing it on the face and then smoothing with water. Again taking two portions of clay to make eyes, placing on the face and smoothing with water. Adding more clay to make hair and sticking it with the help of white glue. Adding more clay to make some jewelry and her pony. In the similar way, adding more clay to complete her attire. Making small fingers and adding with the help of white glue. Taking more clay to make another hand. Making some bangles. And this is how the clay work of first plate is complete. Now comes the second plate. Again taking portion of clay to make water gun, splashing colors. After clay work of both the plates is complete comes the coloring part. I am using acrylic color for painting the clay mural on the plate. Using black color for hair. coloring her attire with light yellow color. Some red for highlighting border of the sari. Using pink for her lips. As she's playing with colors, I'm using different shades on her hand, body and face. Here I'm using original gulal to color her, also diluting gulal with water and applying with brush to give a real effect. Using some green, turquoise and blue color for the background. Highlighting jewelry with metallic gold. Sticking some small size decorative stone with the help of white glue to give ethnic look. Completing this plate by sticking a bindi. Now comes the second plate. I am using the same background color as I used for the first one. Using some metallic silver and red for the water gun. Using same range of shades as on the first plate for giving this color splashing effect. And this completes our Indian folk style plate art, and it turned out to be so colorful and beautiful. If you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you in next one. Happy Holi everyone.